Pero ngayon, magsasaka na kami.
For today's video guys, we're talking about
Pato na kami sa,
Amy, but speak in English.
Sakay na siya ng bago. Kasi, pagi kami mamaya, tanaw-tanaw po mo ha.
Oh, yes, speak in English. I told them already.
Hi, I wait to money because I buy the drawer.
By the way, tomorrow Ate Titi is not selling bibingka tomorrow because
Yung pantak-pantak yung biik, babiik.
she and her husband is doing like what are you doing?
May
Doing po, may balik-balik ganun.
yung may baktin-baktin siya. Kamang-kamang na. Para niya dito. Ganyan yung...
I'm so happy yun yung may biik.
Ganyan yung...
What is this?
Baboy.
Baboy, what is that baboy?
Hindi yung yun.
Sounds of baboy. Ay, push it. Sabay ta, sounds of baboy.
You good, so good.
You get
So good. You good.
So good.
I speak in English, don't Bisaya.
Ay, dyan, pakiring.
Pakiring. How times pakiring. First, pakiring.
Babay.
Yun o, tangka-tangka.
So that, 2,000, yung nabalik.
Don't point to people. Don't point to people, okay?
Yung bago.
What do you mean of that? There's like this?
Yeah.
Okay, I understand now.
Yung ano na...
Yung ganyan-ganyan niya.
Ganyan.
Ano yan siya? Asawa kasi.
Puro nagkakakita.
Hi, mother. Ano miming yung bag niya?
Miyong.
There's a miming. Her bag?
Uy, why are you lakad-lakad? Papunta ng Ganderia sila.
Speak in English, don't speak Tagalog.
You're hungry. Yeah, you're hungry.
Then they take their lunch.
Shani!
My best friend forever.
Yeah.
Okay, what about us? We are together.
Sige, no?
May bayad-bayad, you know.
Everyone, this is a person that has money. So
May
if you want to
gan pa.
if you want to go to just go.
May 5-6.
Just go there. 5-6. Just 5-6.
Hindi niya ako, hindi pa utang sa kuwan.
English. 5-6. 5-6.
Sabi niya. You lock me.
Everyone, Ate Titi told her the door of the jeep is open. Ala, door open door. Napatay ko katawan.
Ay, yun tayo.
Yung door daw, yung door. Yung door niya.
Yung ba yung mami,
Oh, Diyos ko. Oh, sige na, English na daw. Saan pag ko na puporta?
5 senior?
Kaya ka na yung money.